Today, I'm diving into the delicious world of Kevin's special chocolate cake with a luscious chocolate ganache drip. First, I'll whip up the cake batter by sifting together 1½ cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and half a cup of cocoa powder, along with baking soda, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In another bowl, I'll mix half a cup of melted butter, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of milk, and a splash of vanilla. Gradually, I'll combine the dry and wet ingredients, then stir in half a cup of hot water for that rich flavor. Once the batter is ready, it goes into a greased 8-inch pan and bakes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 40 minutes. While it cools, I'll prepare the ganache by heating half a cup of heavy cream and pouring it over 1 cup of chopped dark chocolate. After letting it sit for a couple of minutes, I'll stir in a tablespoon of butter for that glossy finish. Finally, I'll place the cooled cake on a wire rack, pour the ganache on top, and let it drip down the sides. After a quick 10-minute set, it's time to slice into this decadent treat. Serve it up with fresh berries or a scoop of vanilla ice cream, and enjoy every bite of this chocolatey delight.